application, we go for the mute and products in in the data processing. So data processing in the sense like we are sending the data from one system to the another systems. Okay, so all the like data will be processed is happened in the SAP software. Okay, this SAP is a one of the ERP software, you can say. Okay, SAP is an ERP. What do you mean by ERP? ERP in the sense it is a enterprise resource planning. Okay, so you assume just like we having one organizations. So in the organizations we have to manage entire department. Suppose say you can say any engineering institution we having a different departments like civil department, mechanical department, electronics department, and computer science, information systems. We having different departments, right? So each department having handling separate data. Suppose say if computer science they are maintaining separate data, information science they are having maintaining separate data, right? So it is if you want like as a computer science department has to be access for the information science department, it is unable because we having only separate data. So it is very complicated to manage from accessing one department to the another department data. Okay, so the reason behind of this introducing this SAP is we can easily integrated the system from one system to the another system. You can say any organizations, like you can say any business, we having one department, finance department will be there, production department will be there, right? HR department will be there. So each department having like single systems. So this SAP will it can be do, it will be integrated the all the systems. Okay, instead of what we can do, instead of maintaining separate software, separate software for finance, right? Sales and inventory and production. These are the different departments, right? So instead of using separate software, so SAP what can do, it will be integrates everything in one platform, you can say one platform. Okay, this is the use of the SAP platform. Okay, so next example you can say, so I will say one example. So when customer place one order, right? So what happened, so suppose say one customer will say, so I need some materials, this much of materials I want, so in the time period of this month. Okay, so what happened, the sales team create the order. Okay, the sales team create the order first, it will be goes to the sales team create the order. Okay, and second is what happened, so in the warehouse we need to check how many stocks is available in the warehouse, right? So in warehouse we need to check the stocks is available or not. Suppose a customer will say, so I need 50 laptops. Suppose say the customer will say, so I need uh, 1,000 laptops. So in the time period of 2 to 3 months, 2 or 3 months. Okay, so what happened? The sales team will be take that order. Okay, the sales team will create the order and they will check with the warehouse whether the 1,000 laptops is available in the warehouse or not. Okay, so they will check in the stocks. Next, what happen? If it is there, then it will be goes to the production manufacture the items. What items? Laptops. If stock is unavailable. Okay. Next, it will be goes next after that, after the production. So it will be goes to the finance. So they will generate the invoice. Finance. So they will generate the invoice. Okay. Next, after that, what we can go? So it will be go to management. Management can track the entire process. So this is what the SAP will do. Okay. So all those activities happens in one system. Okay. So this is the actual idea of the SAP. I'm not talking about ABAP. So I'm just talking about the SAP. Okay. So next, what do you mean by ABAP? What is mean by ABAP? So we are going for ABAP. So what do you mean by ABAP? ABAP is nothing but it is a full form is Advanced Business Application Programming. Okay. As a ABAPer, so the customer will come and ask you to change the selection screen or something design. So there is a new CRs will be coming. Okay, you need to analyze and you need to first understand the what is the business requirement. As per the business requirement, you need to create the custom report. Okay, custom reports or bug, anything the customer will reach out to you. As a ABAPer, you need to analyze and you can create the reports or interfaces or enhancements and OData services and or Fiori backend applications. So based on the requirement, you have to work on it. Okay, so that is the actual idea of the ABAP as a ABAP. So in the ABAP, this is a one of the module. This is coming into the technical part, not functional. So before that, we having some more functional modules. We having functional modules. What is the functional modules? We having material management. So that is called, you can shortcut, we can say it as material management. Okay, so what is the necessity to use this material management is like procurement. We are used to for the procurement and inventory management. Suppose we can be having activities like purchase requisitions, purchase orders, or goods receipts, inventory management. This kind of activities will be happens in the material management. Suppose say any company they want to purchase raw materials from the vendor. Okay, on that time this activity is coming into the picture. Okay, what is the purchase requisition, how much order you have to placed, and goods receipt and inventory management. So these are the activities will be happens in the material management. Okay, this is the one of the module we can learn it. Okay, as a developer we should know basic idea about Second module is called ST. So ST full form is sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. So this sales and distribution is used for the sales purpose. What is in sales purpose? What are the activities we can do? It is like customer master, sales orders, delivering and billing. So these are the activities is involved in the sales and distributions. Okay. Suppose in the example we can say it as like when customers is placed the order, and we can receive the order, and we can generate the invoice. Okay, so these are the things which happen in the SD module. Okay, next, third one is third module is FICO. We can call it as finance department. FICO, finance and let's see, finance and controlling. What is the necessity to go for FICO? FICO is in the name only saying finance. So when you used for this financial accounting and costing management, so the purpose of this finance and accounting is like general ledger or accounting, accounts payable or accounts receivable, cost centers, profit centers, and internal orders. So this kind of activities is involved in the FICO. Okay, so this is a purely dedicated consultancy is there. Okay, consultant, SD consultant, and a FICO consultant. We are not bothering about this. Okay, we need to understand basic idea about SD, and FICO. Okay, and this when we can say it as when recording the company, any company or any business, finance is very important, and we have to record each company income and expenses. Everything will be recorded in the FICO. That will be taken care by the FICO consultant. Okay, next is called, you can say, PP. What do you mean by PP? Production planning. Production planning. Suppose say uh, we can this PP, the production planning consultant, what they can do is here it will be used to manufacturing the industries. Like there is some activities they will taken care, like bill of the materials or work centers or production orders, and so complete manufacturing things they will do it. Okay, manufacturing the raw materials, and the you can say planning the productions of thousands bike or thousands laptop. So here I said the customer says 1,000 laptops, so they will plan accordingly. They will prepare the uh, proper planning and hand over to the clients. Okay, so these are the integrated modules between the SAP systems. Okay, so what happened? So I will say integrated between, how it will be integrated. I will tell you modules. Okay, these are the integrated modules. So suppose say SAP modules are integrated. Like example, sales process. Okay, sales process. So in the sales process, what we can do? So it will be goes to the ST module. Okay, so they will create sales order. They will create sales order. Okay, after the sales order, it will be go to the module. So in module, we need to check the stocks is available or not. Okay, so if the stocks is available, then fine. If stocks is not available, then we need to buy it from the outside of the vendor. Okay, so in we need to check the stocks is available or not. Okay, next it will be goes to the PP, production planning. In production planning, we need to produce 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 material if stocks is unavailable. So we can produce, or we can buy it from the outside of the vendor. Okay, And after that, we can go for same ST module. So this is how the system will be integrated. So here we are delivering, and billing is happening. And after that, it will be goes to the FICO. In FICO, accounting, entire entry generated. And so this is how the integration is happening. This integration is the, you can say, biggest strength of SAP. Okay. Are you understanding? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Can you tell me the SD flow with the T codes?
Okay.
MM and SD.
So in the SD flow, what happen? So we need to create one sales order, right? So before going to that, we need to understand what is the how much products has to be sales, uh, how much we need to do it. Okay, so the standard one is like, so what happen in the in SD, we need to create first sales order. Okay, so what is the T code to create the sales order? You have any idea?
VA01.
Yes, correct. So VA01 is the T code to create the sales order.
Before sales order, some quotation, request for quotation, inquiry.
Yeah, that is as a developer, we no need to do it actually this time. Okay, as you asked, firstly, what we have to create inquiry. Okay, so before going to that sales order and all, so we need to create the inquiry. So first, it will be go for inquiry. So it will be VA11 to create inquiry. You need to display, if you want to display that inquiry. So for this, VA13 to display inquiry. Okay, and after that, we need to create the quotation. To create quotation, we have VA21. This is to create quotation. And after that, if you want to display that quotation without changing anything, the code is VA23. And after that, we can create sales order VA01. And if you want to change, or you want to change the sales order, VA02, so you can change it. And if you want to display sales order, VA03, So these are the T codes, and we want after that creating outbound delivery. VL 01N, and if we want to change that delivery, VL 02N, and want to display delivery, VL 03N, and after that you can post the goods issue. For this VL 02N, after that we have billing display. We having VF 03. After that we having one more called accounting document in document FB03. So this is the actual flow is happened in SD. This will be taken first 3 quotation and of display. First 4 will be taken care by SD consultant. We are not doing anything here. So when coming to the sales order, purchase, sales order change. So this we can do it from year to year. We can do that. But before that, creating quotation and this all things will be taken care by the SD consultant. Firstly, we create the quotation and create sales order with reference of the quotation, and create the delivery, and create the billing document, and you can view the account entire to see the complete flow of the sales document. Okay, so this is the actual flow. After this, we having frequently we can use customer master creations, customer master change and display, master material create. That it will be like one-to-one, end-to-end. We can do that. Yes.
Outbound delivery means, sir?
Outbound delivery means you are going to posting the sales order, right? That one.
Inbound delivery also will be there.
Inbound delivery is not applicable.
Okay. But I heard inbound delivery also. But what does it mean?
We can create the like a document which is created after the sales order. Okay, like it like you can say the process is picking and packing and shipping goods to the customers, right? So like what happens in the outbound delivery, we can confirm which material will be shipped, or which material is shipped or not, and specifically shipping point and delivery point, and supports the pickup and pickupping activities. Like that activities, we can do it in the outbound delivery. I'm not SAP SD consultant. I am a ABAPer.
Okay.
So this actually, this flow is like one-to-one. We have to do.
Okay. Only one document will have the only.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
One inquiry will have one quotation, one sales order,
Yes. Sales order to the like outbound delivery to the like posting the goods issue. And after that, once if you post the goods issue, the bill will be generated. And after that, it will be taken care by accounting document. It will be taken care by the FICO consultant. Suppose say when a customer orders under 100 laptops, right? So what happen? Sometimes we don't have 100 laptops. We having 50 laptops. Okay. So on that time, what we can do? The customer will give short time, like within 1 month, I need delivery. Okay. On that case, what we can do? So we having a time means we can manufacturing the PP production planning. The team will be prepare the laptops and hand over to the customer. If the time is short time, like 1 month, less than 1 month, or 2 months, so on that case, such cases, the team will be buy it from the outside of the vendor, and within that delivery time, so the laptop will be hand over to the customer. So that is the thing is happening. So customer will order under 100 laptops. Okay, the warehouse prepare the shipment and creates the outbound delivery. After the shipping, what happen? We can post the goods issue, and after that, invoice will be generated. That once the invoice is generated, the customer has to be pay that billing amount. Okay.
What exactly happens in PGI, post goods issue?
So once if you create the outbound delivery, right? One sales order.
Delivery is done. After delivery is done, goods are reached to customer. Then post goods issue is created.
Yes. So
then delivery document, when it will
see, post issue is like it will be record that goods have, like suppose we having see what happens once the inventory stocks is reduced, like you can say the material is created, accounting document is generated, the cost of the goods sold is updated, and after that, what happened, the delivery status, what are the delivery status will be changes to the goods issued. Okay, goods issue is different and goods issued is different. Okay, so in this actually, after the we can post the goods issue, the warehouse stocks has decreased. Suppose we having 100 laptops. In that 100 laptops, totally we having 500 laptops in the warehouse. Once if you post the goods issue, what happen, the 100 laptop will be reduced. Okay, so we having 400 laptops now as I recorded. And after that, accounting entire, or like accounting enters as a generated, and it will be goods are considered as shipped. Okay, so and also accounting, like for 100 laptops, how much cost for one laptop, there is like a 60,000, 70,000 they will calculate. And after that, finance department will be generate the invoice, and after that the customer will be pay the amount. Like it is a post goods issue, you can say it's like confirming it is has been shipped or not. We need to confirm that. Okay, it is updated, like inventories and creating the account entries, and allow the bill to the process to like how much stock is available in the warehouse and how much stock is handed over to the customer. Like the delivery after the outbound delivery, the status has been changed as goods issued. Once if it is status has changed as goods issued, then obviously the the material will be reduced to 400.
okay.
Yeah, that is the actual cycle.
Okay, so the ML.
In the MM also, like in the materials, see, we need to create the materials when customer will come up with, suppose we having spare parts, you can say mechanical, like a engine, we having different spare parts. For each spare parts we need to create the materials. Okay, so that will be taken care by the consultant, and the consultant, it is purely for the logistics purpose. Okay, so like anything you need to track the materials and shipping, and that will be entire process will be taken care by the consultant. Like first, what happened here, we are creating the sales order, right? So here what we can do, we are firstly in the, as a consultant, we need to create the purchase order. Okay, so firstly, before going to the purchase order, we need to create purchase requisition. Purchase requisition. Okay, after purchase requisition, we need to request for the quotation.